What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. One simple trade, good profit. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's jump into this video. Man, this market is absolutely insane. Check this out. Let me spy. Look at this. Look at yesterday's action. Like, yesterday we had this monstrosity of a gap up, and then we just grinded higher and higher all morning, came all the way back down, bumped right back up, came back down, and then in after hours and into the future sessions, we were trading up here. Like, I don't understand this. Look at this, and then boom. Then all of a sudden, jobless reports and earnings come out, and bam, we gap down. Like what? Every other week before this, we had these like disgusting jobless reports, and the market would just like rally in its face. This is like just throwing dice at a table in Las Vegas at this point. Like, if you're trying to guess swing trade, because you could day trade, right? No problem. You can intraday trade this, but to swing trade, it's like anybody's guess. It's like I don't even have words. Like, sometimes you see like a little trend, and then the trend changes out of nowhere and it just goes the complete opposite. It's just wild, just wild. That's why, day trading it is the way to go right now, because or maybe long-term holds if you're buying dips for long terms. But for quicker profits, I don't even think I'll day trade any of this. I mean, swing trade any of that mess. But today I had one trade, just one trade. I was actually looking to possibly trade futures. Is my account still? Yeah, here we go. I was actually thinking, about trading some futures this morning, but I just couldn't nail my zone. I'll show you what I was trying to do here. We got all the way down. Let me see if I can bring this chart down here for you. Whoops, what just happened? What chart is this? This is the 1,000 tick chart. No, I don't want this one. Oh my God. Well, this just became a mess. All right, hold on, guys. Let's see if we can do this. So I was trying to catch down here at this 28.93 area. I really didn't want that. I wanted a 28.80s down here. See? These previous bottoms right here and tops right here. I wanted it to pull back in there, and there I was going to get long. Didn't make it, so no trade for me on it, which was pretty disappointing. No trades there. However, I stayed patient, waited for my trade, and I caught a trade on ZM. We're going to go over that right now. But before we do, you know what time it is. It's time to feed the YouTube algorithm. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you traded today, or simply just say hi. Remember, guys, when you do that, it helps with the YouTube algorithm. So it makes the channel basically healthier. It gets more traction. YouTube suggests it more. The more it does that, clearly the more subs I get. We're almost up at 6,000. We only need, I checked this morning, we only need like 50 more. I think we get that done today. If we can get that done today, that'd be great. We'll close off the month on 6,000 subs. That'd be amazing. And the faster we do that, the faster we get to 10,000, the faster we get to 10,000 subscribers, I'll do that giveaway where I'm going to give away a fully funded trading account to one of my lucky subscribers. Now, let's go ahead and jump here into this live trade. Well, not the live trade. Let's go into the recap first and then the live trade. So first, sorry about that. First, we had ZM with continued weakness, gap down. Now, why did it gap down here? Well, Google said, hey, so Mark Zuckerberg is going to bust out with his software. Google's like, you know what? We're going to bust out with our software. And you know what? Our software is going to be completely free. And then ZM was like, oh boy, here we go. And they gapped down. They just dropped. And they dropped pretty nasty in the morning here. Like, as you see, it just, had a high here of 143 and change, and just immediately went all the way down to 136 and change. So that's a pretty nasty drop right there. Okay. Now, while all this was happening, I wasn't watching it. I don't know if I would have gotten short in here, like, trying to use this VWAP or trying to get short in front of these lows. I don't know that I would have done that. The reason I wasn't watching is because I was watching, the futures at that time. I was looking at, maybe taking a futures trade. So I didn't trade any of this. I don't even know what the options were going off at that time. So what I did was very simple and very straightforward. Once I realized I wasn't going to be able to grab the futures trade I wanted, switched back over to my day trading account here for equities, and just started looking for some puts. Click puts here on Street Smart's Edge, and started looking through here. And here, let me move this real quick. Started looking through here. You could see where the volume is. Boom. I started looking to see what options had some decent volume and something that I thought I could trade. I figured I'd jump in on those 140s, and that's exactly what I did. I think it was the 140s. If not, we'll check those. They're going to be in the live trade. The point is, as soon as we came down here and we bounced off of this doji with an increase in volume, I was like a little skeptical. I didn't just immediately get short right there. I waited a little bit, see if this was going to hold up as resistance, and then jumped in short via put options. I wasn't 100% convinced we might not make a quick breakover VWAP, so I only took 2 contracts versus the 3 I would have preferred to have had. I really wish I would have had 3. That would have been a real nice trade. I'm sitting on a nice day, almost a double. So, I'm not going to complain in the least bit about that and the consistency. So I grabbed my puts there, and then I just wrote it down. That's it. I just wrote it down, and that was it. So I'm going to go ahead now and grab the live trade so we can go over that. And you can see the thought process behind it. And it's having a nice little pullback here after breaking through VWAP on an increase in volume. Surprised. I thought, we might have made it to at least 140 before this action happened again. It's very weak. Very, very weak. The SPY isn't doing a whole lot. It's just grinding around sideways. Today's Amazon earnings after the bell, so it's going to be an interesting after hours into tomorrow's session on what's going to happen with the market. If Amazon destroys its earnings, the market could rally again. So it's going to be interesting. Let's see what happens there. Now let's go ahead and grab this live trade, and as I do me that quick favor and check out the links in the description section below. You'll see links to trade ideas. You can get 15% off with my coupon code. It's right there. These are the trade idea scanners I use every day. Also, you can check out Webull. If you download the app, fund your account with $100, you can get 2 free stocks. I think right now the special is 1 free stock of $12 or more, and then 1 stock could be valued up to $1,400, something like that. So you want to take advantage of that as well as first trade. You just download the app, and no need to fund the account. You're going to get 1 free stock. Link in the description section below. We did have 1 small cap today, guys. That went absolutely insane. I forgot about that one. Let me show you that one real quick here. UAVS. This one's been going crazy here for a while. No trades for me on it. Oh, that's a nasty drop. It looks like it just got halted. Well, we had to just start talking about it, huh? Look at this. Wow, it made it all the way to $5 and change. I didn't even know. Look at that. All the way back down here to 290s, and now it got halted. Ugh. Don't want to be a part of that. Look at this daily. Look at the daily candle now. That's insane. That was a nice chart. That was a nice chart setup on the daily, of course. All right, so let's get this live trade right here. I believe it's this one. Oh, this is after the fact. Okay, so here you go. Oh, that's right. I didn't get to click record. I thought I did. I didn't click record here. By the time I noticed, we were already down here. But I do have, since we made this mistake, I do have a futures trade I'm going to show you. I wasn't going to show you that one because it's all jacked up, but you'll still be able to see some action, I think, on it. So yeah, guys, I had two contracts here. This is my second one at 474. I already sold the first one for a quick $80, made $80 on that first one. So now I'm holding on to this one to see if maybe I can pull off, a big profit on it and maybe make a couple $100 on this one. The remaining part of this trade takes 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and fast forward this just a tad. What we've done here is we have the rejection of the VWAP and 90 EMA area. We've had the 90 EMA crossover VWAP. Volume is pretty decent on this downtrend. So I'm looking for a new low. I'm looking for a new low here. We start to creep there to the new low, to the previous low area, 590 on the ask. I'm in at 474, so I'm already up over $100 on these if I were to sell them. But I'm really holding and trying to get as much as I can out of it. Because of that, I didn't get as much as I could have. Just watching, level 2 there in time and sales. There we go. We get the new lows. So these are going off at 610 right now. I wanted to put a limit order out like at 640, but I don't get a fill. So frustrating. So we start making new lows there. There's an ask at 640, a mid 620, and a bid at $6. There's a big spread, 40-cent spread there. Okay. So I put out an order there at 630. Oops. I put out an order there at 630. You know, thinking, okay, I there it is in the mid, but nobody buys it. Such sad state of events there. The last trade at 620, you see here, just by 10 cents, I missed a real nice take profit from 474. That would have been a real nice one. This would have been over a $300 day easily had I gotten that fill, but we don't get that fill, so I just bang out of it right there, and I still book a nice profit. I'm up 180 something dollars on the day, so almost a double on the day. I posted my P&L on Twitter, and what happened there, why did I not give it more time? I'll show you right now. So I didn't give it more time for a simple fact here that level we're bouncing off of, you see it there on this 3 minute chart, is a level on the daily. Check it out. Look at it right there. It's this previous top, this previous bottom, this previous bottom, this previous top, this previous bottom as well. So that's a level on the daily that could potentially be a strong level. I'm not going to hold that last contract to break even or much worse to a loss, right? After I'm so green on it all. So I'm just going to take it off. I can always re-enter the trade if I want to, and I could have, but I chose not to. I chose to take it easy. A little foggy today. I was a little sleepy, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take this profit and be prudent and be safe and be consistent. 180, 190 bucks on the day. That's a good day. That's a really good trading day. People's like, oh, I gotta make thousands. No. I gotta be consistent. I love to make thousands. I could, but my mindset doesn't allow me to go after those trades continuously because of the risk factor involved in them. I'm not comfortable with the $500 red days. I'm not comfortable with the $400, $500, $600 red days in order to have those $1,000, $2,000, $1,500 green days that I was having in the past. I'm just not comfortable. I'm more comfortable where I'm living at right now. That's it. And I'm consistent at it. I will get there progressively, little by little. You'll see this time next year, right? So little by little. I'm happy with the performance today, guys. I'm not going to lie. I like how I traded that, and I enjoyed it. Here's a little futures trade from yesterday. I was recording. Oh, you're not. Well, I guess you can see my P&L here. You can't see the chart here because I left this box there. It was so fast. I didn't even have time to move that, and I didn't notice. But you can see my P&L here. I'm short 29.29, 25. And I was trying to get this down to 29.20, and it kind of bounced off of that area. You see, I'm up 150 bucks there. I ended up closing this trade 162. I didn't even realize that. 175. Wow, we almost had it. See, current price 29.62. I was trying to get it down to 29.20. It could have. The chart allowed for it, but it just didn't happen. This was off of the back of the news of the Fed meeting and stuff like that. So I ended up closing it up right there. Made about $80 something, so nice little trade. But that's it for me today, guys. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. I hope you're ending the month strong and safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.